when there were no any banking exam, students were regularly asking ki sir, when we can expect the notification, when we can expect the banking examination. And when there are banking exams or notification back to back, now students are confused ki sir, with which exam we need to go. Like we have IBPS clerk, we have SBI PO at the same time, so with which exam we need to go and which exam we need to target. So guys, first of all, let me tell you, there is no any comparison between IBPS clerk and SBI PO. SBI PO is a different level job and IBPS clerk is a different level job. Although I will be giving you some comparison factor in these two exams that you can consider. So guys, first of all, let us talk about the IBPS clerk. IBPS clerk, we have 7,850 plus vacancies, and these vacancies can go around 9,000 plus. And in the same way, we have in SBI PO, 2,056 vacancies. So guys, these are the number of vacancies in both of these examinations. Talking about the IBPS clerk selection procedure. So guys, prelims examination you have, mains examination, then LPT language proficiency test and the document verification. इस तरीके से आपको ज्वाइनिंग मिल जाएगी. बात करें SBI PO की, so guys, prelims examination, mains examination, interview and GD process you will be having. And obviously in the view of COVID guideline, may be कि GD process ना हो, आपका इंटरव्यू में ही काम चल जाए. तो इस तरीके से SBI PO का सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन. SBI PO की बात करें, सो SBI PO इज वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स, सबसे टफ होता है, इसको माना जाता है. अब बात करें IBPS क्लर्क की, सो गाइस आफ्टर SBI PO देयर इज SBI क्लर्क एंड IBPS PO एंड देन IBPS क्लर्क. इस तरीके से लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी वेरी करता है. So yes, IBPS clerk is a easy level examination, so you can prepare for that. And yes, talking about the salary, which is main criteria, guys. So IBPS is a clerical level job, so you will be handling the clerical level work, and you will be also be having clerical level salary, which is in hand around 30,000, and maybe beyond that, depend on the location to location or the allowances to allowances. So 30,000 salary you will be getting. Talking about SBI PO, so 55 to 60 or 62,000 you can get in hand salary as an SBI PO. Again talking about depend on the location to location or allowances to allowances. Now guys, job security. So guys, talking about this factor ki job security, there is no any job security in any of the organization, whether it is government, public sector or your private sector. Because if you are not good at your work, if you are not performing well in your work, so guys definitely you will be fired. Otherwise you will continue with that particular organization. So ऐसा ही SBI PO का, ऐसा ही IBPS क्लर्क का भी है, ठीक है. Although these are the public sector jobs, so you have to deal with the public obviously. लेकिन guys, job security का कहीं भी कोई भी भरोसा नहीं होता, ठीक है. अब बात करें कि आपको किस जॉब के साथ जाना चाहिए. So guys, if you are at a beginner level, so you must think SBI PO as an option, not SBI PO is the only exam that you need to target. आपको SBI PO ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि this is only the exam I have to go. So you have to take another exams also, जैसे कि IBPS clerk, RRB clerk, RRB PO, आपका SBI clerk, there are various exams. But yes, if you are an advanced level aspirant and you have a dream of becoming SBI PO, then you can consider SBI PO only a option, ठीक है. But yeah, I will say that कि SBI PO में सिलेक्शन बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई लेवल एग्जामिनेशन, जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर के चांसेस है वो थोड़े कम हो जाते हैं. सो यू शुड गो विद अनदर एग्जाम ऑल्सो. यस, सो एक आपको SBI PO के साथ साथ दूसरे एग्जाम के फॉर्म भी फिल करने चाहिए. Obviously, if you are a banking aspirant, so you should not only fill SBI PO but also other banking examination form like IBPS clerk, IBPS PO and SBI clerk. So all the banking examination form you need to fill. So this is what guys I wanted to tell you in this video. I hope कि आपके क्लियर हो गया होगा. SBI PO और IBPS clerk दोनों के फॉर्म निकले हुए हैं, आपको दोनों के फॉर्म फिल करने हैं. So this is Akash Shukla signing off and good luck for the examination, guys. If you are preparing for any banking and insurance exam in 2021, then you guys can download the Entry app and you guys can prepare with free of cost. जी हाँ, with free of cost high quality mock test, section test, topic wise test and video lesson. अगर आप beginner level पे तो video lesson आप watch कर सकते हैं. Link you can find in description field and the pinned comment as well. So download the Entry app and start your free of cost preparation right now. This is Akash Shukla signing off and good luck for the examination, guys. Thank you very much.